In this short video, we will share some tips and information about tropical inspiring interior design and try to cover the topic of how you can achieve this look in your space. To create a tropical design aesthetic that includes greenery and natural elements, consider these tips. Use natural materials. Add natural materials like bamboo, rattan, and wicker to your space. These materials can add a sense of warmth and texture to your space. Add plants. Use a variety of plants to create a lush and tropical environment. Add plants with large leaves such as palm trees, ferns, and monstera. Hang plants from the ceiling or place them on shelves to add height to the space. Use bright colors. Use bold and bright colors like tropical greens, blues, yellows, and pinks to create a sense of vibrancy and energy. Use patterns. Add bold patterns like tropical floral prints, geometric patterns, and batik prints to add a sense of fun and excitement. Use natural light. Add natural light by using large windows, skylights, and sliding glass doors to let in natural light. Add natural elements. Use natural elements such as shells, coral, and woven baskets to add a sense of texture and character to your space. Use outdoor spaces. Add outdoor spaces such as patios, decks, and balconies to create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. Use comfortable seating. Add comfortable seating such as loungers and hammocks to create a sense of comfort and relaxation. Use water features. Add water features such as fountains, waterfalls, or a small pond to enhance the sense of calm and relaxation. Personalize the space. Add your personal touch to the space by adding elements that reflect your own personal style and interests. Tropical design is all about creating a sense of relaxation and fun, while still maintaining a sense of style and sophistication. By incorporating greenery and natural elements, you can create a space that feels lush and tropical, while still being stylish and inviting. If you enjoy watching this video, then please like and subscribe so that you can get such informative videos timely.